must be a bit cramped in that Yaris.
Just shaking your head, you daft twat.
It's important, isn't it? Because suddenly you kind of stop using some muscle.
Marvellous.
You stop using that muscle in your body.
Exactly. You need to keep activated brain. I did a biology degree and we learned that
Class
parts of the brain that cause
Will you stop for the red flag?
On your mobile phone. 8:15 LBC News headlines.
This guy's hanging out a bit.
Yeah, he is. Like, for no reason, there's loads of space behind him as well.
I know. I can get why. I guess why he's hanging out. It's a big Q7. It's huge.
So I played exactly Half-Life. It's there. I've never played Half-Life, but obviously it should be there.
Pull out, mate. Don't worry about it.
Why it shouldn't.
Half-Life
Bastard.
altered what you could do with a first-person shooter.
Well done, dude.
It really.
Wares. I always call it wares.
Off of ICQ.
Got that.
What are you
Was
doing?
it ICQ? No, MRC. IRC. It was IRC.
Oh my God! I can't believe you just.
What are you doing?
I know. ICQ. I used like 2 years when I was 12, 13. No, it was IRC. You had your little servers. Allegedly, Pat had his little servers, and you get credits for uploading and downloading.
The Chancellor of the Duchy of Lancaster as a team are in those negotiations. Cool. We are making progress, but
Should you be on your phone, dear, when you're pulling out of a turning like that?
Probably not.
I wouldn't go just yet. There's no point because there's a crawler lane coming up. There's a truck coming down there.
That was absolutely.
Just wait for the crawler lane like now to open up.
inches later.
Road ahead closed. They've got issues. It wasn't closed when we came in.
Where a car's broken down on the M4 westbound on the elevated section,
Peugeot
delays all the way
405.
back onto the A4 from the Hogarth roundabout. Long delays on the...
What an absolute prat.
That's it. Cycle through it. Ignore the red light.
Growth that the government relies on is as good as it's been, as good as it was in 2009.
Everyone's bailing.
So you complain about the record of the last government, and your growth this year will be 2009 levels.
I mean, we are facing
Everyone's
various
bailed.
issues. We're facing a global slowdown.
What? Why are you being a dickhead? You're a dickhead. You're a dickhead. Why would you do that? Look at the f***ing thing you're in. Look at what you're in. Look at what you're in. Look at what you're in. Look what I'm on. Don't do that. You fucking idiot.
Should give us comfort that the Northern Ireland backstop won't be needed. But in June 2020, this country will be faced with a stark choice. We can agree to extend the transition period or accept the backstop.
Don't answer the phone. I didn't want to stop to swear I had a plan and the youth clubs and build a new. My pops up weren't close. Felt like part of my
The governess would have taught the children that you should pass on the left.
About 5-ish.
This guy doing strange maneuvers.
He's coming over, he's coming over. He was indicating trying.
Don't.